Welcome back to my Crochet Corner. Today, we are unlocking the magic behind the Crochet Magical Ring, a tiny loop that starts every beautiful project with perfection. The magic ring, or magic circle, is the secret to creating neat, tight centers for your crochet pieces, like amigurumi, flowers, or coasters. No more holes in the middle, just smooth, seamless stitches. Take your yarn and make a soft loop, crossing it over your fingers. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, and pull through gently. That's your first step to magic. Now, chain 1 to lock it, and begin adding your stitches right into the loop. When you've got the number you need, the tail tight and poof. A perfect circle every time. Wasn't that fun? Circling stars. The magic ring might look tricky at first, but once you get it, it becomes your favorite way to start any round crochet pattern. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy crochet tutorials, and let the magic of handmade fill your day. Sparkles.